Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome back to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two stocks which Porinju Veliyath thinks could be safely added while constructing a long-term portfolio. He has also provided the levels at which these two stocks would become additions to any long-term portfolio. Now on Twitter, he referred to these stocks as two well-corrected, high-quality stocks in a sector with solid assets, brand and business model. He says that this correction should be used as an opportunity to build a long-term portfolio and is a good time for fresh investments, though nobody can predict the market bottom. Please watch this video for two such stocks which were recommended by him. The first stock on the list is Oberoi Realty Limited, which is available at Rs 405.60 and the face value for it is 10. The price at which Porinju Veliyath has recommended them is at 410. The symbol for it is OBEROIRLTY. Now Oberoi Realty Limited is engaged in the construction and real estate development business. As is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has not really done much and has been an underperformer. The market cap of the company is 14,747.71 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. It's also available at relatively decent valuations of 24.99 PE and a price to book ratio of 3.29, which is not wildly expensive. The promoter holding for this stock is also a very strong number at 67.70%. Now the second and final stock on the list is Godrej Properties Limited, which is available at Rs 590.90 and the face value for it is 5. The price at which Porinju Veliyath thinks that this would be a great portfolio addition is 560. The symbol for it is GODREJPROP. Now Godrej Properties Limited is also a real estate company. Now as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has also not created any wealth for its stakeholders. The market cap is again that of a mid-cap one and stands at 13,550.63 crores. It's available at expensive price to earnings ratio of 93.94 and the price to book ratio of 6.05 is also expensive. One positive factor for this company is the promoter holding and it stands at 70.68%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.